Are you looking for a desktop that delivers massive performance without taking up your entire desk or draining your bank account? Well, Asus might have just dropped the perfect solution. Welcome back to ASUS Tech. Today we are diving deep into the all-new Asus ExpertCenter P500 Mini Tower. Is this the best compact PC for businesses and creators? Let's find out. Let's start with what's under the hood. The P500 is built on the AMD platform, featuring the latest Ryzen processors. The top-tier model rocks the Ryzen 7 260, clocking in at 3.8 GHz. But raw power creates heat, right? Asus tackled this with a brand new tower air cooler. Using advanced copper heat pipes and a dedicated rear fan, this system keeps the TDP at a steady 45 W. Asus claims this setup delivers 40% better performance than other desktops in this price range. And the best part? It's whisper quiet, running at just over 28 decibels even when you're pushing it hard. Now, let's talk graphics, because this isn't just a boring office box. While the base models come with integrated Radeon graphics, the dedicated GPU options are insane. You can spec this machine up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8 GB of GDDR7 memory. Yes, you heard that right, GDDR7. Whether you go for the RTX 5060, the 5050, or even the 3050 series, this mini tower is ready for heavy creative workloads and even some solid gaming on the side. For multitasking, the P500 supports up to 64 GB of super-fast DDR5 RAM. When it comes to storage, you are fully covered. You get two M.2 slots for fast SSDs, supporting up to 2 TB each, plus a traditional hard drive bay for bulk storage. And a huge plus for IT managers, the installation is completely tool-free, making upgrades a breeze. Since this is built for business, security and AI are front and center. It comes with the Expert Guardian package, offering a secure BIOS, TPM 2.0, and 5 years of driver updates. On the software side, the AI ExpertMeet feature is a game-changer. It handles real-time meeting transcription, subtitle translation, and even generates automatic summaries for you. Physically, the case is compact and practical. You get a handle for carrying it around, and the port selection is stacked: USB-C, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and support for 7.1 channel audio output. Everything you need is right there. So, the Asus ExpertCenter P500 packs next-gen graphics, solid cooling, and smart AI features into a 6-kilogram chassis. It looks like a solid winner for small businesses or anyone needing a compact powerhouse. What do you guys think about those RTX 5060 specs? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to ASUS Tech for more tech reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.